All right, that's my baby gold and white corn. Now I'm coming in with my cream of chicken soup, and I'm just gonna put about half of a tablespoon into each one of my muffin holes here, right on top of my corn. It's gonna give that corn a really great hearty home style flavor. And this is gonna be such an easy addition to your holiday table. Now I'm coming in with my sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this into each one of my muffin hole cups here. Now you can use any kind of cheese you like, but I do really enjoy sharp cheddar. It just brings such a flavorful element to this easy side dish. And this is gonna be, if you haven't had this before, I think you're really gonna like it. And it's gonna be a new holiday tradition for you. Alrighty, I'm using some Everything Bagel seasoning. We just wanna season this up really nicely. It's gonna go great with that cream of chicken soup. All right, I've got my Bob Evans mashed potatoes here, and I am just gonna put in a small scoop of these right on top. Now you can use a bigger scoop if you want this to be overflowing, but I kind of like how this just looks like almost like a little ice cream puff. Perfect. And these are just coming together so nicely, y'all. Now you can do this with other vegetables. You could do this with a peas and carrots mix to make yourself just some small flavorful portions. And I like this because it's not like everyone's getting too much on their plate that they're wasting, you know? Perfect. All right, I've just got a little bit of gravy here, and I'm just gonna be adding a little bit to each one of these. Now I'm using a beef gravy, so if you're serving a prime rib, this would go so well. But you can alter this, you know, you could do this for Thanksgiving or Christmas with a turkey gravy, or really any kind of, you know, gravy or sauce that you like. It doesn't have to be gravy, it could be, you know, just a au jus or, yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop these in my oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. Our easy holiday side dish is ready. We just cooked these up for 30 minutes, and now it is ready to pop on out of here and become our delicious holiday veggie treat. Look at that. Perfect. Has everything you like all in one. Cheese, corn, mashed potatoes, gravy. Wow, that's delicious. Y'all, you gotta try this.